Hey everybody, Zach Cohen here with Krietz Customs. Today I'm piecing together the fender flares for this 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 that I just lifted. And this is the process, very quick and easy. The Rough Country sends you a bunch of bolts that all you have to do, stick them right in the hole, the nut on the back side, and just work your way all the way down. Then you just tighten them up. Careful not to scratch them. So then you just continue on the other side and get all the holes at the top of the flare. Now that we have your bolts on, it is time to put your rubber seal on the top of the fender flare. You just peel it, put it right on. What this is going to do is prevent any scratching to your truck. And you peel it back. You want to make sure that you push all the way down so it doesn't peel up on the truck once you stick it on. Just keep working back as you're going on it. You'll be fine. Now if you decide to do this at home, make sure you put a cloth down or something soft. So then once you get it on there, just take a razor blade or a pair of really sharp scissors and you just cut it. Make sure it's all stuck on there. So your flares from Rough Country, you have 4 different flares for all 4 corners of your truck. So for your rear, for this 2014 Ram 1500, there is no cutout for the rear. So depending on which side it is, all you have to do is put it towards the truck and see if your bolt holes for your fender liner match up. And then for the front of your truck, you have your cutouts for your headlight. So this cutout right here is gonna go on the edge of your front headlight. It's not bolted down yet, but as you can see, this edge is going to ride on your front headlight so it doesn't block or interfere with your headlight at all. So I pulled out your screws for your fender liners. That's all that holds these fender flares up, super easy. Sometimes you got to push them and adjust them to where they need to be because it's a little tight. But all you have to do is remove your factory screws and then reinstall your factory screws in the flare into your liner. Well, that about wraps it up for these fender flares. I hope this video helped show how easy a process it is. If you have any questions on these flares for your vehicle, call us at 301-694-4642 or visit us at www.krietzauto.com. Thanks and have a great day.